everyone, welcome back. It's Andrew here from Bazza Bros. We're chilling on the porch today because we're gonna be installing this bad boy, or bad girl, right here. Can you guess what it is? It's a porch light. It's gonna be going right up here. Where is it? Can you see it? Right up there. So, some background info. We are in the process of getting our house painted. The previous porch light was a bit dated and wanted to get something new and fresh, so I got this thing from Wayfair. It was on sale, it was half price. Good reviews. It's supposed to be really bright for its size. Super clean looking, it's gonna match. And yeah, not much really going on except the fact that this is all we need today. This is a bit overkill, to be honest. You just need a screwdriver, but if you know my history, this is my favorite tool to use because it just makes the process that much quicker. Before I get started though, actually, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button on this video, and click that notification bell. So an important reminder, before you work on anything that has to do with electricals, obviously you want to make sure that the power is turned off. Whether it's to the switch controlling the light in this case, or turning off the breaker for the area in the house that you're working on. For me, I did both, of course, because safety first. This is the back of the lighting fixture that we have. Looks pretty complicated at first glance, but installing these things is actually very, very, very simple. All you need to do is take this thing, mount it up there, right up here. Let me go a bit closer to where this thing is. This is the old one. I just have to unscrew that, put this one up, and you'll see right after how easy it actually is. Nope. So every fixture mounts into one of these boxes. You can see it's a pretty universal fit for every fixture. You can, holes are right over here, and you would take this piece. This piece comes with the new fixture that I got. I would put it like that and line up the holes. I'll be using these middle holes over here. And that's the hardest part of the install. So I know I said that installing this bracket over here was the hardest step. It technically is true. However, the most critical step, and the one you have to be most careful with because it involves dealing with live wires or electrical wires, is this step. So attaching these black and white wires over to these wires over here. Now you're probably wondering, how the heck do I know which ones to install? There's always going to be a black wire. This is actually black, it was just oversprayed. This is the white wire. There's always going to be one of those. What you might see is a copper wire as well, and the copper wire is the ground. So what we have to do now is connect black to black and white to white. First, I'm gonna take off these old caps over here and put on these brand new bad boys that I have right over here. Everything is off, there's no power here. I can go ahead and start connecting, and I'm gonna try to do this while recording, which is physically not possible, so I'm gonna pause here. Now, because I only have two hands, I went ahead and installed this one. It's a little twisted, don't mind that. But using these caps is not only safe, but they're ridiculously strong. So I can actually let go of this, and it will suspend the weight of this fixture, which actually isn't that heavy. But now, let me show you how I did that first one. So I'm gonna take these wires right here and put them together And when I do that, I'm gonna take this cap that I have and put it inside. Put the cap over these wires and start turning. So put them inside. You can see inside there. And start turning. Turn, turn. I really hope you caught that angle. If you didn't, that's what it looks like now. Pop it right in there. So these things will go inside of this and hold it up there. If I want to remove it, I just yank it down. These things will compress and let me take it out. So just make sure that you stuff these wires inside, get them out of the way. Just like that. These wires are very thin, so they can just go wherever. And they can just pop them in. Like that. That's it. Wires are tucked in. That was super easy. So here's the moment of truth. Here's the extra safety I put on the switch to make sure the kids don't turn anything on. The fact that it's daytime and it's still shining like this tells me it's gonna be more than enough at nighttime. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions in the or comments actually down below. And yeah, I'll be sure to answer them. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, show us some love, show us some support. Hit that like button on this video, click that notification bell, and I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks guys.